I'm never gonna grow up. Growing up is boring. Blizzard Beach. So going on that ride up there, the ski lift. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. You look dead. You're on boy watch.
Sailing, we've got American boys following you girls.
Yeah, Michael and his friend. What are you doing?
Failing.
You're failing. Loading along with Sophie. And the stowaways. Did you get to the video? storm's coming, so we're taking shelter in this little area. You can see on the floor of the rain.
Where is he?
We've made a big escape. Sophie had a little admirer, and he came up to me and he was like, "Hey, is that your sister? She's really cute." So
I was like doing really weird stuff in the waves as well. I was like jumping over the waves with my hands.
He's 14, he looks about 20.
it's so funny. You were like, "Oh, is he like 18? I'm gonna punch him." But no, he's innocent, bless him. It was really sweet. But then he's come round all day with us, bless him.
It's got very weird.
Bless. Yeah, it's sweet though, bless him.
And then you were like, "Oh, have a picture with her," and he was like, "Oh, she don't want a picture of me," so I just went, "Smile."
Oh dear. He asked for your number as well. You gonna give him your
A
number?
few times. He goes, "Maybe I can Instagram DM you, and then you can give me my number, and then I'll call you." He was like, "It's gonna cost you so much."
That's so funny. I'm just loving all of this.
Because I think he hasn't got much room, I don't think.
My goodness. Look at us all
So,
showering.
can you get my tissues out of the bag? I gotta roll my nose.
Look, we've spotted Sophie's new boyfriend. He's right over there, and it's quite funny.
He's playing in the rain.
He's playing in the rain. Oh, that's so cute.
You look so disgusted.
Oh.
That is
But look, you can see the rain splashing around, and we're just all sitting on the bench. Oh
Can you
dear.
get my
We're now heading out of Blizzard Beach, but we're probably going to come back another day, and we're going to go shopping instead. And I thought I'd just show you guys, look how cool my t-shirt is. It says, "Mermaids have more fun." And they do. They shake their head at me because they know I'm such a big kid.
That's why.
Of course. Look at that. That's cool.